Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to design a birthday flyer like this with your smartphone using pixellab app. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you can know how I was able to come up with this. So I'm going to delete everything that you are seeing here so I can start this design from scratch so you can learn. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So I will delete everything that you are seeing here. So I'm going to delete everything that you are seeing here now. So alright, so we are now left with our working interface. So what I will do here at first here is I'm going to come over here. Then you tap on this. So I will import my background to start the work. So I'll come over to here. I will choose where my background is. So I will import the background. So I'm going to drag it to fit my working space. Alright, so now I will come over here. I will lock the background up. So what is now left for me is for me to import the images that I want to use. So I'll click on import. I'll import the first image here. I will import the first image here. Right, so this is the first image here that I want to use. So I will crop it a little. So I will come over here. I want this image to face this side. So I will come over here. I'll touch this part here. I hope you can see. Right, so I'll come over here. I will leave it like this. I will leave it like this. I will leave it like this. So I will come over here again. I will import the second one here. I will import the second image. In this is so I'll crop it as well. I'll crop it here. I will bring it here. Right. So I'm going to adjust it. Alright. Alright. So we are good to go with this. So what I will do here now. I will bring in the dot image. So before I do that, I have to log everything here. I'll come over here. I will log everything here. So I'll import the third image here. So I'll come over here. I'll tap on it. So I'll copy it as well. Alright, so I'll copy it as well. So I will place it. I will drag it. I will place it here. So don't worry about the edges. You can see the edges are not looking good here, but we are going to blend the images with the background. So you just have to stay with me. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So now I'll place it here. I'll place this one down. Place this one down. So I'm going to rotate it. Alright. So I'll place it down like this. Okay. So I think let me lock this one. So I'll bring this one down. This one. So I have to bring it down a little. Alright. I have to bring it. Okay. We are good to go with this then. Alright. So what I will do here is sorry. So I will leave it like this. So what I will do here is for me, I will lock this one also. What I will do here is for me to blend this background, to blend the edges of the images with the background, so for it to look good. So what I will do here is for me not cooking with this one here. So let me try and make it nice. So I will come over here. I will lock this. So I will bring it. Alright. So what I will do, I'm thinking we can go with this for the sake of this training. So what I will do here, so in case you are wondering of how you will get the resources, I'm going to leave a link of how you can get these resources, all the resources that I'm going to use in this design. I will leave it in the description of this video. So now what I will do here is for me to blend these edges with the background. So in order to blend this background with these images, so this is the method I'm going to use. So make sure you follow me. So now I'll tap on this. I will lock this again. So I'll tap on this, click on images, then you come over here, then you come up, tap on gradient, then you click here, touch on this one here, then you touch on here, then you bring this to this part, then you leave it, then you touch on this one here, then you touch the color, then you bring this one down. So what you do here, you leave it, right? So we are good to go with this. What you have to do, you reduce the size, okay, you reduce the size here, then you can drag it like this, drag it to fit the down here. So what I will do here, I will come over to color, I will turn it on. So I will come over I'll use the plus sign here, click on the plus, then I'll come over here, I'll click on the picker, the color picker, I'll tap on it. So I'll tap the color from the background here. So I'll just tap on any place here since it is yellow. So I think I'm good to go with this. Right, so I'll click on the check mark here. I'll click on the check mark here. So alright, so now what you have to do here is for it to click on okay, then you come over here, then you copy it again, you place it, you copy it again, you place it, then you copy it again, you place it here till you can see that you have been able to blend the images of the image with the background. So it's now left for us to come up with the write-up. So you come over here, then you lock everything here, So now let's import some of the other resources to make that design. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll come over to import, I'll import the first here, right? So I'll click on okay. So now come over to relative size, I will use it here, I'll leave it here. So I'll leave it, then I'll come over here, I will lock it, then I'll come over to import again, I will import this. So I will rotate it, okay, I'm good to go with this. I will crop it a little, so I will rotate it here, I will place it here. Alright, so what I will do next again, I'm going to lock that up, then I'll come over to import, I will come over to import, so come over to import, I'll bring on this light here. So alright, so what I'll do here, I'll reduce the size, I will place it here. Alright, hope you are following. Then I'll copy that out again, I'll place it here. Alright, so we come over here, then we lock everything up, then we import we put some text for the design, then I'll come over to import. In order to waste time, I'm going to use this, so I'll crop it here, I'll crop this up, I'll come over here, then I will use size, I'll leave it like this. So I will leave the color, I'll give color white, I'll use white. So right, so I'll leave it like this, I will leave it like this. Hope you are following. So I'll come over here, I'll lock it here. So I'll come over to import again, I'll import the last resources here, right? So I'll bring it, I'll reduce the size, I'll place it here. Alright, so I will come over here again. Oh, I think this place is not looking nice, I saw something here, so let me come over here. I think this is it. So right, so let me use the position to put that normal, so I'll bring it here. Alright, so I'll put it here. Alright, so let me put the second one also, so I'll use position to put that normal. Alright, so I'll put this check mark, then I'll come over here, touch on shape, then touch on this one here to have a circle shape, then I will reduce the size, I'll cancel this one to do again. So I'll touch on circle shape, I'll touch on this one, I'll touch on this one. So I'll reduce the size, I'll bring it here. So I'll reduce the size. Alright, so I'll come over to color. I'll change the color to black. Right, so I hope you are following. So what I'll do here again is for me to lock that up again. Then we bring in another resources here. Then that will be last here. Then the resources is in photo room. Okay, right, so we come over to this. We use okay. Alright, so we import the resources here. So we cut it here. Alright, so I'm going to reduce it a little, reduce it, then I'll place it here. I'll place it here. So what I'll do here is for me to change the color. I'll change the color to white. Also I will leave it here. So I can drag it a little, I will leave it like this. So what I will do here, I will lock it up, right? So it's now for me to put the date of the date and the name of the celebrant here. So what we do here is for we to put come over to here, then you click on this place, you edit, you put, for the sake of this training, let me use 28. Alright, so let me edit. So let me put this, then I turn it there, then I bring use position, so I'll bring it down. So I'll bring it down. So I'll bring it down to this point here. So after I've put this here, I'll come over here and do the size. Then I'll choose a font for this. So in order to move faster, I'll just choose a random font. So I think I'm good to go with this. Then I'll copy the text again. I'll copy it and edit it to put the month. So I'll put January, but we are going to put in short form. Then we turn it capital letter, then you bring it to the position as well, then you bring it here, so you bring it down. Right, so before I continue, I hope you have been able to learn something new from here. So kindly use 1 minute of your time to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free. In this channel I post tutorial on graphic design, how to learn on digital skills like affiliate marketing, website designing, and how to make money online. Kindly subscribe to this channel so you get notification each time I drop new videos like this. So I think you have subscribed to my channel. Thanks for doing that. So before I continue, so let me put the name of the celebrant. So we are good to go. So let me put the name of the celebrant here. So I'll come over here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to put precious. I'm going to use princess, right? Princess. Alright, okay, I'll bring that here, I'll bring this here, then I'll come over to this part. I'll change the color to black. Right, so I'll come over here, I'll choose a font for that. So I'll choose a font for that. Alright, so let me use this. let me use this. Okay, right. So what I'll do here, I'll increase the size a little. Alright, so I think it's not cool like this. I'll reduce size, but what I'll do here, I'll come over to spacing, then I'll space the letters. So I hope you are following. Alright, so I think we are good to go with this. Alright, so this is how you can design a simple birthday flyer with your smartphone using pixellab app. So I believe you have subscribed to my channel because I will be dropping more tutorials like this. So if you have not, kindly subscribe to my channel for you to get new videos alert when I drop them on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.